Eponymy: animal dog, dog poodle, vegetable carrot, flower rose, tree banyan. So how would you define? You would say that dog is a kind of animal, poodle is a kind of dog, carrot is a kind of vegetable, flower, rose is a kind of flower, and banyan is a kind of tree. So the meaning of one form is included in the meaning of another. The relationship is known as eponymy. So eponymy refers to the relationship when the meaning of one is included in the meaning of another. So when we say rose is a eponymy of flower, it means that rose is a kind of flower. Eponymous connections. We are essentially looking at the meaning of words in some type of hierarchical relationship, a hierarchical diagram. So if you look at this, let's take living being. It is the superordinate. Creature and plants. Let's first take creature. In creature, we have animals and insects. So we can define animals as a kind of creature and insects a kind of creature. So then we have under animal, we have dog, horse, and snake. So under dog, we have poodle. Poodle is a kind of dog. Dog is a kind of animal, and an animal is a kind of creature. Similarly, we have snake, and then we have asp. Asp is a kind of snake. Coming on to insect, we have an ant, which is a kind of insect, and cockroach, which is a kind of insect. So coming on to the plant kingdom, we have vegetable, flowers, and tree. So carrot is a kind of vegetable, rose is a kind of flower, so banyan is a kind of tree, and pine is also a kind of tree. So we have this hierarchical diagram of these eponymous relationships, right? Superordinate, which is at the higher level. So for example, in the previous, we have human, living being as the superordinate. Two or more words that share the same superordinate terms are co-eponyms. So two words, for example, vegetable, fruits, and tree. So all these three were co-eponyms. They were co-eponyms. Eponymy captures the concept of is a kind of, an asp is a kind of snake, a rose is a kind of flower. It is not only words for things that are eponyms. I mean, it's not the words that refers to certain things which are eponyms. We can also see them in different other words which do not refer to things. For example, words such as punch, shoot, and stab, describing actions. So these words describe actions. They can also be treated as co-eponyms of the superordinate term endure. So when we have words, two words, and each has meaning in the meaning of another, so we call that their relationship is eponymous relationship. And this eponymous relationship exists in things as well as in words which refers not to things but to action, as we have just seen in the example of punch, shoot, and stab.